Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you can change your display name in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So I think you only have like 3 chances to do this. After the 3rd chance you have to wait a certain amount of time. It's kind of like tokens, but anyways, all you have to do is go over to settings. From settings, scroll down until you see account and network, and then once you're on account and network, go ahead and select it and then click on Activision account. Now from here, hit change display name, and then you'll notice that your name will be right there, and it shows you how many tokens you have. And now see, it says you can earn 1 rename token after every 6 months. So you're gonna have to wait 6 months if you have no tokens remaining after you change your name. So just something to keep in mind. And then you can go ahead and confirm and restart. And if that does not, if you change your name but you still see your previous name, all you have to do is simply just restart the console or restart the game. Doesn't really matter. And yeah, that is how to change your display name in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.